bright. Oh, Jesus. Beautiful morning near Cumberland Island in Georgia. And see, with it being so lovely out here, I'm gonna turn on the engine, charge the batteries. 1,002. The engine. So I'm gonna run that for about an hour. Which is good. Because we want to make sure our engine is working just in case we drive. We are exactly where we left ourselves. Our neighbor is doing good. We're closer. So I'm going to get our little rangefinder and check there. Alright, so standard issue Golf laser rangefinder. So let's just get 268 yards. I just gotta remember that. And you know what, while we're at it, let's do shore, 254. Using the white building over there as another one. It's outer range. So $268. Turning. Let's see it. All right. So 260 yards for both. And it's going to be a fun day. This is forecast to get a little bit worse throughout. And then I can also view this on the phone. The happy time. Light at last. Because it was supposed to get worse all day, and it seems to like have lightened up quite a bit. But yeah. 12.3. Yeah, that's. I'm just tired of the noise. We'll turn it back on later. I need a break. And there's our hungry caterpillar. So since she's the only thing using electricity at the moment, I think we can go for a few hours.